In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Gmail to Yahoo Mail. This task is quite simple once you know the ropes, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it with ease and confidence. Let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser of choice and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're on the page, you'll notice the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on it and you're ready to enter your credentials. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the main Gmail interface. Take a moment to look around if you're new to this platform. Understanding your workspace can make the process much smoother. Now, on the left-hand side panel, near the top, there's a red Compose button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a new message window pop up at the bottom right of your screen. This is where the fun begins. There's a To field at the top of this new message window. This is where you'll type the email address you wish to send your message to. In our case, you'll type in the Yahoo email address. Make sure to double-check that you've typed it correctly to avoid any hiccups. Mistyped email addresses are one of the most common reasons for emails not reaching their intended recipients. Moving right along, come to the subject field below the To field. Here, you'll enter a brief and clear subject line that summarizes the contents of your email. A good subject line is essential as it helps the recipient know the email's purpose even before opening it. Let's focus on the main part of the email now, the message body. Click in the large white space below the subject field to start typing your message. Remember to keep your message clear and concise but include enough detail for the recipient to understand your intentions. Feel free to format your text using the options at the bottom, like bolding text or using bullet points if needed. Before sending, take a moment to review your email. Double-check spelling, grammar, and make sure all your points are covered. If everything looks good, you're ready for the next step. With your email ready, it's time to send it off. In the bottom left corner of the message window, you'll find the blue Send button. Clicking this will dispatch your email directly from your Gmail account to the recipient's Yahoo Mail inbox. And there you have it, you've successfully sent an email from Gmail to Yahoo Mail. It might take a few moments to reach the recipient's inbox, so don't worry if it's not instant. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy emailing!